Okay, and this is the problem number 41 for GATE 2019. A periodic function ft with a period of 2 pi is represented its Fourier series ft equals to a naught integration from n equals to 1 to infinite a cos nt an cos nt plus bn sin nt, and f is represented by a sin t, where t is from 0 to pi, and it equals to 0 for pi to 2 pi. The Fourier coefficient a1 and b1 for ft are: option a1 equals to 0, b1 equals to a by pi. B is option B is a1 equals to a by pi, and option b1 equals to 0. Option C is a1 equals to a by 2, b1 equals to 0, and option D is a1 equals to 0, b1 equals to pi by 2. Okay, no, b equals to a by 2. Okay, now if I draw this function ft, okay, this is ft. So if I draw this function ft versus omega t, it will be like from this is pi, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi, and from a 0 to pi a sin t. So this will be like this value is a, and from pi to 2 pi this is 0, so this is 0, and like this is a periodic signal, so this is like this. Okay, now we know that the Fourier coefficient a naught is the DC term. A naught equals to 1 by t integration of 0 to t ft dt. T is the time period of the signal ft, and a1 equals to 2 by t 0 to t ft cos of okay an a cos of n omega t d omega t, and bn is equals to 2 by t 0 to t ft sine of n omega t d omega t, right? These are the formulas. So now if I in this question we need to obtain the value of a1 and b1. Here an and bn formula is given for in nth order harmonics. Here in the question we have to obtain the fundamental values, means n equals to 1. Okay, if I put n equals to 1, so n equals to 1, so this will be 2 divided by t, means here we have the time period 2 pi. So integration of 0 to 2 pi ft. Okay, first of all I need to take the 0 to pi a sin t omega equals to 1 here into cos t, right, where n equals to 1 and omega equals to also 1, and this is dt. Okay, now if I just take 1 by this, this can be cancelled, and if I multiply this by 2 and divide by this 2, we have a by twice pi integration 0 to pi sine 2t dt, right. Okay, now this integration will be a by pi, and this will be minus of cos twice t divided by 2 from 0 to pi, right. Now this will be minus a by 4 pi and cos of twice pi minus cos 0. Okay, now minus a by, okay, I am erasing these things, a by 4 pi, this value is 1 and this value is also 1, so this is equals to 0. Okay, now if I calculate b1, we have a1 equals to 0, a1 equals to 0. Okay, now for b1, b1 is equals to 2 by twice pi 0 to pi. I am not writing from pi to 2 pi because this is equals to 0. So 0 to pi, ft means a sine t and into sine t dt, right. Now this will be cancel it and divided by 2, this will be a by twice pi whatever 2 sine square t dt, right, 0 to pi, and this can be written as a by twice pi integration of 0 to pi, and this will be 1 minus cos twice t by 2 into dt, right, and this will be a by 4 pi whatever this will be t minus sine twice t by 2, and this is from 0 to pi. Okay, now if I put the value, this will be a divided by 4 pi, and this will be for t pi minus 0 and minus sine twice pi is 0. Okay, okay, this is not actually divided by 2, right. 2 sine square t is 1 minus cos 2t, so this will be okay, this is by 2 and this is twice pi, and if I put sine twice pi, sine, okay, I take common half, 2 pi minus sine 0, and this part is 0, obviously 0 minus 0, so this will be a by 2, so b1 is a by 2, so the correct answer will be option D, a1 equals to 0, b1 equals to a by 2.